Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. How are you all? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you all? That's. I'm good. Good afternoon. So, how was your day? Very good. Great. Okay. So, without wasting time, let's begin the class. Okay. In today's class, we will start our class with reading. Yeah, some more reading. Wow, Shafi and Nafe, mashallah, you're looking better today. Good. Good, that's very good. Okay, yesterday, do you hear the voice? No, okay, as the day before yesterday, we did a sound. What is the sound of this letter? Diagraph? A. If A. A. What is the sound of that diagraph? A. Now let's move to the next diagram. Okay. When two E comes together, the sound E. E. What can you see? When we put the two E's together, the sound is E. Okay. Nafe, can you please start reading? E, C, th, th sounds th, r, e, three. Okay, wait. Okay, all of you, wait. I'm going to read it. Let me read it for you, for all of you, one time, and after that, you will read it one by one. You will read these words one by one, okay? The first word is E, C. The th sounds the th. Th sound th. Th r e three. K r e n green. Sl e p sleep. S e seen. B e bean. Now, yes, Maham. Read. Good. Very good. Good. G. R. E. Green. Good. No, it's good. Sleep. Nafi and Shape, please stop talking. Seen. Okay. Very good. Very good. Clap for Maham. Excellent. Okay, Kartikesh, your turn. Start reading from here. What can you see? With the phonics, Kartikesh. E, C, th, R, E, three. Good. Read the next one. Good. Very good. E, C. Very good. Clap for Kartikesh, please, all of you. Well done. Yes, Shafi, your turn. Start reading from the sentence. Shafi, start reading from the sentence. Sit over here. Whenever I need you, I call. Okay. I can't shout. B, E, bean. Bean. Okay, now for your turn. Excellent. Please clap for Shafi. First, we need to clap for Shafi. All of you. Okay, now for your turn. Bean. Very good. Clap for Nafi. So all of you once again together. What is the sound of this diagram? E. What is the sound of this diagram? E. Very good. Well done. Okay, this is your waiting time. Please wait for a minute. Please wait. This is your waiting time. Yes. So, Nafi and Shafi, how's the weather over there? Very cold. Is it snowy? Okay, it's only cold, but it's not snowy right now. Okay, there is no snow. Why? Oh my God, Moham is also coughing. Maham, you should take medicine, my dear, and drink some hot drink, some and take some hot drinks. Nafe and Shafe, it's good thing that Maham is fine. Kartikesh, what about you? How's the weather over there? Is it deadly hot? Is it deadly hot? Normal hot. Okay, okay, normal hot. Nafe and Shafe, why are you laughing at Maham? What's the matter? What is so funny? Would you like to share with us? Hmm? Maham is Maham is cheating me? You are copying Maham is okay, he's copying you. No, she's not copying you. She's a good girl. Maham is wearing a blanket, so I thought it's really very cold over there. Okay, okay, let's start our social studies uh, lesson. In today's lesson, we will learn about the family's culture. You know, different families have different cultures. We learn about our family by understanding our family's culture. The customs and traditions of our family make up our culture. Yes, Shafe, why are you hiding your face? Oh my God, you are sitting too close to the camera. Okay, look at, different families have different cultures and different customs. Who is going to tell me what are the traditions, customs and traditions? Yeah, say our prayers, or for example, some families have a habit of getting up early in the morning and going to bed early at night. In some families, it is customized to have a very special breakfast on a holiday, or some of the families go for the jog or for the walk daily. The family eats dinner together every day. This is also a tradition and custom that they were having the breakfast or dinner or lunch all together. In some families, it is must that children will help their parents in the household chores. Even in some families, it is must that when the children cross the teenage, they have to go outside and earn some money, or support their family or their house financially as well. This is also the tradition. So all these little things are the tradition and customs of different family. What are these? These are all these little things are the customs and tradition of the family, and all the families have different culture, customs and traditions. Is that true? In some families, there it's must to wear the jeans or t-shirt, or in some families, there is only that you only have to wear the shalwar kameez, or the clothes specific. You have to wear the specific clothes, and you can eat the specific food. Sherwani. Yeah, you are right. You're right. So, in the overall in the world, there are so many cultures. There are different traditions. Some families are following. All the families are following different traditions and different customs. So, who is going to tell me first? What is the custom in your family? Yes, who is going to tell me first? One thing. Yes, Maham. Sorry? Your baby sister is a custom or tradition of your family? Come on, Maham. Rafi and Shafi. Look, Maham, what are custom and traditions? Uh, for example, in my family, this is a must that we eat dinner together every day. This is the custom. This is the yes. Okay, you help your mother. This is the tradition of your family. This is one of the rule of your family that you help your parents in house. Shafi, what about you? Mom, you are very good girl. You help your mother in household chores. Yes, Shafi and Nafi. Maham told us that she helped her mother in the house. What about you? You tell us what is the custom in your family. I'm damn sure that you both will not help in the household chores. Rabbits? This is the tradition of your house to keep the rabbits? Shafe and Nafe. What is this? Okay, Kartikesh, you tell us. Okay, Nafe and Shafe, you just think and then speak. Yes, Nafe and Kartikesh, please tell us what is the custom or tradition in your family. You know, tell us, for example, in okay, this is the one of the rule of your family that you go to bed early. There are some also rules like this in some families. You have to brush your teeth before go to the bed. It's must. This is the rule. Or can you follow the tradition? You okay? Or you should get up early in the morning. What about you, Nafe and Shafe? Yes, on Friday. On Friday. On Friday. Okay. You all go to mosque together. Wow, that's very good. Okay. That's very good. Now let's solve the worksheet. But before we solve the worksheet, I want to share a video with you guys. Let's see. Okay, there is no video. That is for the English worksheet. So let's go to the worksheet. Oh my God, Nafe and Shafe, you were moving a lot. Yes. Maham? Is it a custom or your family to wear a scarf? Okay, it's not a tradition. Good. You are only wearing the scarf because it's very cold over there. That's good. Okay, social study. My friend's family. Okay, in today on class we will discuss about our friends' family and about their traditions and customs, about their culture. Okay. So what you have to do, what you will do, as you can, okay, my screen is visible to all of you. Okay. Ask your classmates. You can also ask your family if you don't ask to your friends. You can also ask it with your family members. You can also ask it to your family member. Okay. In first column, what you have to do, write your name in the first box of the table, then fill in the information. Write the names of three friends in the rows below. So what you will do, in first row you will write your name, and in the other row you will write your friend's name. Ask your friends some questions about their family to help you complete the table. We have to complete this table. In first row, as you can see, you have to you will write your name and your friends' names. In the next column, there is number of people in family. Next, you will fill up this column with the number of families. So yes, Nafe and Shafe, how many family members do you have in your family? Five. This is all you will ask. What about you, Maham? I have six family members. Very good. What about you, Kartikesh? Kartikesh? Sorry, Kartikesh. How many family members do you have? Four. Okay. Four family members. Very good. So this is how you will ask your friend that how many family members your friend have. Number of adults. Okay. What is the number of adults, Kartikesh, in your family? Yes, yes. Okay, that's so sweet, Nafin Shafe. She also included you in her family. That's good. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, yes, Kartikesh, number of adults in your family. Would you please tell us the number of adults in your family? How many adults are there in your family? Two adults. Very good. And how many children? How many children are there in your family? Two. Wow, yes, two and two make four. Very good. Okay, clap for Kartikesh. Yes. What about you, Nafe? How many adults and children are there in your family? Yes, you can include mom. Four adults. You have four adults? Maham is not an adult, my dear. Okay. Okay, Maham. Please wait for your turn, Maham. Thank you. Yes. Okay, there are four adults and how many children? Yes, yes. How many children? Okay, four adults and four children. That's very good. Well done. And what about you, Maham? What about your family? How many adults and children are in your family? Uh, fi- okay, you have five adults in your family. And what about the children? How many children are there? Maybe she was including someone else also. Okay. Okay. That's it. Good. Okay. No, in the second question, use the information in the table to help you finish these sentences. After collecting the information from your friends or from your family members, it's better to collect the information from your friends. Okay, you have to compare that Dash has more family members than me. Then who have more family members than you, and who has fewer adult family members than you, and who has more children family members than you. Yes, sorry, Maha. Okay, you know, so you can easily fill up the table. Wow, Kartikesh, what are you eating? Are you eating something? Would you like to share? What are you eating? You don't, or you don't know the name. Okay, tell me what did you have for breakfast? All of you, I want to know one by one. Noodles. Oh my God, which flavor? Spicy or chicken flavor? Spicy. You like to eat spicy? Oh, that's great, Kartikesh. What about you, Maha? Okay, you had sandwich, nuggets, and a glass of milk. That's very good. You know, a boiled egg, boiled egg, yogurt. Wow, you really have a very heavy breakfast. That's very good. Very good. It's very healthy. Okay, just tell me, did you have a boiled egg or half fry egg? You also had an apple? Wow. Okay, no, yes, very good. You really ate, and you ate all these things? Wow. You are super girl. Very good. Great job. Yes, Nafe and Shafe, what did you have for breakfast? Paratha. Wow. Desi ghee paratha? Paratha and chicken kadhai. Wow. You can. Okay, you can eat these things in breakfast. Very good, Nafe. Well done. And what about you, Shafe? Same. But he was saying that he had sandwich, chocolate sandwich, chocolate milk. Okay, good. That is that is healthy too. That is healthy too. Good, very good. Well done. So all the children are very good. All children are very good. They are all having a very good, tasty, yummy breakfast with full of nutrition. So let's start our English class. Okay, now teacher is going to show you. Please stop laughing. Thank you. Maham, no, stop being so complaining. Okay. Okay, we are going to, in today's class, we will learn about the emotion. Okay? Let me show you a video. This we will discuss about the feelings. We will discuss about that how at the different situation of our life how we feel. We okay. Sometimes you feel happy. Sometimes you feel sad. Sometimes you feel excited. Sometimes you feel mad. Yeah, these are the feelings happy, sad, excited, mad. It usually happens. Am I right? Yes, sometimes you feel happy, sometimes you feel sad, sometimes you feel excited, and sometimes you feel mad. When you feel mad, when you got very angry, you might laugh today, you might cry today, you might feel many different feelings, and they are all okay. So it's all normal and okay to feel different feelings. You might feel worried about your first day at school. This is usually happened when you go back to the school when it was your first day, whether you are going after a summer break or winter break. When you going back to the school, it was your first day. You might feel worried. Might be definitely you definitely feel worried. You feel sad. That's okay. You feel happy. Very good. You might feel nervous. You might feel excited for your party this afternoon. Excited is excited. Nervous is also a feeling. You might feel surprised when they jump out at you. Surprised. Surprise is also a feeling. Yes. Oh my God. You might feel angry when he takes your bear or your toys. When you feel angry. Yes, guys? Children? Yes, yes. Oh, you angry. That's usually when someone purposely hit you, and when someone purposely teasing you. This is what happened to me. When someone is purposely teasing me, I got angry. Ah. What and what you do? What about you, Nafi and Shafi and Kartikesh? Oh, and what you did? What you did when she takes your voice? Oh, that's okay. You might feel thankful when he shares. So thankful is also a feeling. You might feel embarrassed when you trip and fall down. This is usually happen. When you are running, you trip and you fall down. You feel very embarrassed. Is that happened to you, Nafi and Shafi? Most. Okay, if someone want to share anything related to this situation, embarrassed, embarrassed related to this feeling. Yes, dear. Oh, and you feel embarrassed now, but you don't feel embarrassed. It usually happens. It's a normal thing. It's most of the time when I was at your age, it's happened to me. I think after every 2 or 3 days. So you might feel happy when your friends all around, and they doesn't laugh at. Yes, dear. That's very good, Maham. What about you, Nafi and Shafi, when you were happy laughing at others? Yes. You were happy when you laughed, made fun of someone? Oh my God. Then you must be very naughty children. Huh? I'm saying you feel happy when you make fun of others. Yes, जब दूसरों का मजाक उड़ाते हैं आप. You feel happy. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. It's okay. Nafi feels happy when he makes fun of others. We will. Okay. Next, go to the next feeling. You might feel lonely if there's no one with you. Lonely. Lonely is also a feeling. Yes. This is. Yes, my dear. Oh, yes, that's what happened. When you feel lonely, you become sad. Yes, Kartikesh, would you like to share with us when you feel lonely? When you feel lonely, what you do? Okay, you close your room's door, and after that, sit on the bed. I think it's better to do something not like this. If, for example, if I feel lonely, I listen some good music, so it's make me happy, cheerful. It cheerful me. Or I go for outing and eat an ice cream. My favorite flavor of ice cream. Uh, video game. Yes, I think this is the best thing to cheer up yourself to do the thing that you like the most. Wow. My favorite flavor is strawberry. What about you, Nafi and Shafi? Why every time I have to ask, please tell us, Nafi and Shafi. You like chocolate and? Okay, Mohammed, you have the same choice. What about you, Nafi? You only like vanilla. And what about you, Kartikesh? Wow, yes. But have you ever eat the combination of chocolate and orange flavor? It's really too yum. Oh, that's great. Okay. Wow. Look, you might feel hopeful that your wish will come true. Hopeful. Hopeful is also a feeling. Silly. You might feel silly when you play outside. Silly is also a feeling. You might feel proud when you win a prize. Yes, proud is also a feeling. Yes, yes, dear. Your team's won. Your team's won. Okay, your team's won the match. Hey, you were the best in the team. That's good. That's very good. So all these feelings, lonely, embarrassed, happy, sad, these are the emotions. Okay? Okay. Now you are going to name the two emotions, each of you. Two emotions. Okay. Yes, Kartikesh, let's start with you. Lovely and yes, feeling lovely is also laughing. Why are you laughing? When you laugh, what you feel? That's your. When you laugh, which feeling you are feel at that time? Yeah, when Shafi is saying right when someone is scolded you, that you feel happy. Happy is the feeling when you are laughing. Right now you are laughing, you are enjoying it. It means you feeling happy. This is the happy feeling. What about you, Kartikesh? Yes, Kartikesh. Wait for your turn now. Sad and sad and happy. What about you? Yes, ma'am. Your turn. Okay, when your brothers tickled you feel happy because it's very giggly now. So that's why you laugh a lot when someone tickles you. Okay, so let's do the worksheet. Shafe. Okay, Shafe. Shafe, are you left? Yes, Shafe, tell us about the two feelings. Lonely, embarrassment, silly, hopeful, thankful. All these are. Yes, Shafe. Okay. When you got 3D games, you feel happy? You feel happy. Oh, that's very good. That's great. Shafi, why don't you tell it by yourself? Why Nafa is translating to you? Okay, let's do the worksheet now. The feeling. Okay, feelings. Okay, here we are. Think of some words. Yes. Wait. Think of some words that show you are happy. Write them in the box. We are not going to make the sentences. We have to think about the words, not about the sentences. Okay? Only a single word. Very good. Funny. Good. Funny. That show you are happy. Laughing. Good. Very good. Sneezing? Sneeze makes you happy? Joke. When you listen jokes, you can say when someone tickles you. Very good. When, okay. When you listen jokes. Comedy. Good. Comedy. Good, good. Now, think of some words that show you are unhappy. Show you unhappy. I think silly. Okay, you can also write thankful. When you are thankful, you feel happy. That feeling thankful, it makes you feel happy, not sad. And hopeful. You can also write hopeful over here. Smelly, yes, you are right. Uh, yes, yes, Maha. That's very good. Very good, Maham. So caring. Caring is also a feeling. Very good, Maham. Well done. Caring. Caring is how when you feel feeling happy. Okay, but right now we are talking about the unhappy. Now we are talking about the words. We have to think about the words that make you silly, smelly. Oh. Okay. Then yes, angry. Angry. You can. Yes, Kartikesh. Lonely. Yes, very good. Unhappy. When you feel unhappy. The things that make you unhappy. Okay, good. Now finish these sentences. Yes, when you fell down. Very good. When you trip. When you trip. When you trip or fell down. Great job. Excellent. Okay. Okay. Finish the. Okay, all of you. No, I'm going to call your name and you will answer me. Yes, Kartikesh, first is your turn. Please finish these sentences. I feel happy when I. Okay, wait, Kartikesh, please wait. Okay, students, now I want you to please stay quiet. Kartikesh, okay, only Kartikesh is going to answer me. Kartikesh, please finish this sentence. I feel happy when I. You have to tell me when you feel happy. Complete this sentence. For example, I say, oh wow, that's great. And I'm unhappy when someone scolded you. Okay, that's very good. Okay, what about you, Maham? Okay, when you give chocolates and gifts to your friends, you feel happy. Okay, that's good. And I'm unhappy when. Okay, when people fight, then you feel unhappy. That's good. That's what good. Yes, Nafe, your turn. WWE. Oh my God. Okay, that is one of your favorite programs. Okay. What about and when I'm unhappy? When? Like what? Like when you make fun of others, you should feel unhappy. Oh, good. Yes, Shafi, your turn. I feel happy when I when you playing good. I feel happy play when I play. Okay, when you playing. Okay, it's a game. I guess it's a video game. Is it a video game? Okay, great. And I'm unhappy. Okay, I'm unhappy when. Yes, Shafi. When you feel unhappy. When you feel unhappy, Shafi. Come on, Shafi. Unhappy. I'm unhappy. I'm when you didn't got the playtime. Okay, when okay, you play the game every day. Every day you play the games. Every day. Shafi, I'm talking to the Shafi. Shafi, you play the video games every day. It's okay if you play the game every day. It's not something a very embarrassing thing. It's okay if you play the game every day. You like it. Okay. Yes, Shafi, tell me. You play the games every day, video game. Yes, ma'am. That's so sweet of you. Okay. Okay, the class is over now, so I will see you tomorrow. Class is bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye, Karthik. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.